Create a cinematic product video for my luxury perfume brand. Okay, upload it to all my social media platforms. Okay, now create a premium product image for the same brand. Uploaded it.
Hello, and welcome to this quick demo of VisualSpark AI. This is your VisualSpark AI main dashboard, your complete creative workspace. With Visual Agent, simply tell it what you want to create. VisualSpark handle the visual creation for you. Need inspiration? Pick a ready-to-use prompt and start creating instantly. And here's what makes VisualSpark even more powerful. Access 100+ AI models and versions, all in one place. Choose the model that fits your idea and create. Same product image? Just describe it. VisualSpark creates a ready-to-share image. Need a social media ad? Describe it. Your complete ad is ready to preview and download. Want an AI avatar to review and promote your product? Just describe it. Your avatar video is ready.
This Indivos watch is all about timeless elegance and precision. With its automatic movement, premium leather strap, and stunning open-heart design, it feels truly luxurious.
And the best part, VisualSpark automatically publishes and shares your content across all your social media platforms, so you can reach your audience effortlessly. You can create any visual, anytime, directly from your phone. No need to sit in front of a computer or spend hours on complicated tools. Simply connect your Telegram bot, describe your idea in one command, and let VisualSpark handle the rest. Free use cases. Explore powerful AI use cases and turn your ideas into professional content in just a few clicks. VisualSpark gives you multiple AI-powered ways to create content. Image to video, text to video, and image to image. Transform your visuals in countless ways. Change the scene, change the outfit, change the style, bring images to life. And VisualSpark does the rest. One image, endless possibilities. Transform, reimagine, and bring your creativity to life in countless styles. Everything you create stays organized inside My Creations. Access your previous work anytime. Download it, share it, use it. And these aren't just AI experiments. With Marketing Kit, one brief gives you 6 platform-ready creatives, including Instagram, Facebook, flyers, banners, and posters. Just enter your idea and generate a complete marketing kit in seconds. And VisualSpark gives you access to 100+ state-of-the-art models for images and videos. Hover over any model or click to get started. Create content for your own business. Create visuals for clients. Create products, promotions, and marketing assets. Create for yourself. Create to sell. One visual studio. Endless visual possibilities. Welcome to VisualSpark AI. Create, use, share, sell.